Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the client is fully updated. This prevents version mismatch timeouts. Once done, close any background apps that use upload or download bandwidth and temporarily disable third-party VPN or proxy. Next, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss. Make sure your router's firmware is current and reboot both router and device. These first steps remove common causes, so the deeper fix will take effect reliably. You now perform the only way fix: flush DNS, clear the game's cache, and restart the device to ensure no stale connections remain. Then change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8. This often resolves name resolution delays that cause timeouts. If direct routing remains poor, use a reputable gaming VPN to route around ISP congestion. Make sure to choose a nearby server. Once these steps complete, run a short connectivity test and rejoin the game. You should see you finish by rejoining Genshin and watching ping and packet loss. Ideally, keep ping under 100 ms and packet loss near 0. If the timeout persists, capture the exact error messages and timestamps, then contact game support with those details so they can check server logs. As a last resort, test an alternate ISP or a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the issue is local to your network. If that resolves it, make sure to work with your ISP to fix the underlying routing problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.